Hello there, Russ with ProSteam UK. What you're looking at is a very expensive Loveseat, and we have cleaned this many times in the past. We know exactly what products to use on it to get the best results. But before we start cleaning it, I figured it's probably best to take some video of how it looks now. Now, this beautiful piece of furniture is actually used by the dog. And so it's going to have dog hairs, it's going to have oils from the dog's fur that have transferred onto the fabric. So what we're going to have to do here, like I said, we're going to use a specific product, and what the product will do is not only brighten the fabric, it will also reduce any staining, or most of the staining that you can see. I mean, we've got some blood down here, and some slobber here. So I'm going to start with a decent vacuum of the whole thing, and then we can then get on with the main clean. I'll come back once we have got to a stage where it's looking a lot better. Right, so the Loveseat has been completed. It's almost dry. It's still drying out in places, but as you can see, all that dirt that was on the arms and on the base cushion, all gone. And it's not only clean, but it's bright as well. And, this particular type of fabric is a linen. Got to be very, very careful with how linen is cleaned. Very easy to destroy, actually, linen. So, but like I said, we use a specific cleaning method and products to achieve these sort of results. So, so there you have it.